Welcome to how to open private browser in Safari. So in this video we are going to show you how to open private browser in Safari. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, you will open up Safari app in your iPhone, and then you will tap on these tabs option here, and then if you basically swipe this to the right, you will see we have this private browsing mode. So private browsing adds additional privacy protection for all private tabs. Okay, so after you close a tab, Safari won't remember the pages you visited, your search history, or your autofill information. And to open up the private browser tab, we'll tap on this plus icon, and now basically we are in private browsing. So what we will basically search here will not be recorded. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.